Hi everyone! Modes done on this brand new LC 300. The owner of this one ship it to Cebu for PRS touch. First, we replace the horn to PIAA sports horn and superior bass horn and sports horn. Next, we upgrade the bulb on this FOGLAMP to yellow. This is 400% brighter than the stock. This is also available in white color. We also installed original MODELLISTA body kit. It's composed of this front chin, over fender, rear chin, and MODELLISTA muffler tip. Also, we install HIPPOTECH matting. This is a 3-row plus the cargo tray, and also BF Supreme Plus Series tint, 99% heat rejection on the tint. The side are super dark. It's like there's no tint at all. Very, very clear. Okay. Of course, for the wheels, for the rims and tires on this unit, the client chooses silver polish custom color on this VOSSEN HF 6.5. This is a 22 by 9.5. The offset is positive 30. You can install 305, 40, 22 or 305, 45, 22 with no rubbing issue. And the tires we install on this unit is the NITTO NT 420V. As you can see, the stance perfect. The stock at the rear coil spring is still on the stock one, but the client planning to replace into Dubai rear coil spring soon. Okay. Hope you like our simple basic build here at PRS. Feel free to message me and please subscribe and like my YouTube channel at PRS Car Accessories and Services. Stay safe always. Bye!